Decisions. Guys, welcome to a new video. If you don't know me, I'm Graham. Theodora is in the other room, getting ready. Guys, we are currently in Dubai. However, guys, we have a dilemma. So we don't have that much time left in Dubai because we were ill for 2 weeks, which totally up our plans. So we were wondering, do we go to Abu Dhabi for a few days or do we just go for a day visit? Well, we decided to go for a day visit and we're gonna take you guys along with us to see if it's one, a day is long enough, and two, is Abu Dhabi even worth visiting? Dora, you ready? She's been getting ready for like 2 hours. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get on the road.
Hi guys, I'm all ready. I can't wait to check out Abu Dhabi. This is going to be the second Arabic city we've ever gone. Our ride is here, so let's hop in the car and get going.
So we are back in the Hummer with Fahad. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
If you hadn't seen our last video, Fahad took us around loads of spots in Dubai, some really cool locations, some secret kind of spots, looking at some of the iconic kind of buildings here in Dubai. It was really, really cool. So go and check that video up here. And also check out Fahad's website. He does amazing tours.
I feel like I appreciate and know Dubai on a whole nother level than I ever thought I would.
So yeah, we're on our way now. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours to Abu Dhabi. So guys, without further ado, we're gonna just sit back, relax, get driven to Abu Dhabi, and yeah, let's do it.
Welcome to a Dubai petrol station. Well, it's not a petrol, well yeah, it's a petrol station, but it's a rest stop. And if you look behind me, this is full on Mad Max. Like, you got the music, there's like destroyed cars here. And this, for example, is Starbucks. And you just pull up with your car, don't have to get out, but all of it is like, it's almost like a theme park, but I've seen nothing like it.
It's literally like you come off the freeway to get your petrol, only you come in to get food. And it's Mad Max themed, isn't it? How cool is this? This is your Starbucks. Like, it seems like a ghost town right now because it's so hot. Everyone's like driving up, getting the, yeah, it's so cool. This is so, if you see Mad Max, then you'll love this. Like all of these trucks and these like mad, I don't even know how to describe it. It's so awesome, isn't it? So it looks like every row is a different food truck stop. Like, you've got this mad creation. It's just mental. You know what Mad Max is like. This is insane. Okay, we got stopped filming because you're not really allowed to film in there, but I think you got the gist of this place. Proper cool stop on the way to Abu Dhabi.
Okay, we have officially entered the Emirates of Abu Dhabi, and what you can definitely tell is that we are in a completely different world. I don't know if you can see through the window, but I'm in a forest, and basically the Sheikh of Abu Dhabi, instead of the love for high rises, he loves trees. So there have been over 200 million trees planted in Abu Dhabi. The road color changed, the entire scenery has changed, all the irrigation is in place, the trees are having an amazing life, and we're no longer in the desert.
Okay guys, first stop is Yas Island. We are here at Ferrari World. This is one for the boys, also some for the girls as well. But basically inside we have over 20 attractions, and it's got the fastest roller coaster ride in the world, going from 0 to 240 miles per hour. Tour guide is saying kilometers per hour. Anyway, 240. You're not even going that fast when you go skydiving. Anyway, we're going to go and have a little sneak peek in. Obviously, we don't have all the time in the world, so we probably won't be doing all the attractions. And then behind us is something that Theodora really likes.
Behind this way is my zone, and that's Abu Dhabi's biggest mall, the Yas Mall. Graham did forget to mention that the Ferrari World is one of the biggest theme parks in air conditioning. Brilliant.
So babe, you can go shopping, and me and the tour guide are going to go to the Ferrari World. Guys, behind me is the biggest Ferrari store in the world. It's huge, and they always have the newest Ferrari outside. I'm looking to purchase one of these, so we might get
it. It's a four-seater, it's a family car.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so like a mum mobile, I could drive it.
Yeah, let's get one of those, babe.
Yeah, but can I point out one thing, a little bit Theodora Finest fact? This roof is the largest single roof that encompasses an entire theme park.
That's pretty amazing.
It is amazing. Like, the structure is amazing. Okay, I'm still not feeling 100% myself, so I need a little pick me up. I'm gonna have some sugar and I'm gonna have some frozen yogurt because they got really cool flavors here. Like this one, cake batter. I gotta try this. Okay. That's nice. Sickly, but nice. Chocolate. Yogurt flavor. I love it. Sour, proper yogurt, yeah. Not really a Theodora Finest fact, but it kind of is. Just taste a load of them and then do a little bit to taste. So naughty, but I love it. Makes it taste better.
Verdict.
Excellent. Yum.
Okay, so we made a quick stop to Yas Island. So Yas Island is basically the kind of like the attraction island. You've got Warner Brothers there, you've got Ferrari World, you've got all the theme parks and water parks. And soon there's a new aquarium park coming in there with like a big aquarium of fishes and sharks and God knows what. Now we're headed into actual Abu Dhabi, and you can probably see from the GoPro footage, we're kind of like on this massive road, and on the right hand side you'll see lots of kind of like mangroves, proper green, all surrounded by the water and the desert. It's quite unique to Abu Dhabi.
You're never gonna guess where I am. I'm standing in front of the Abu Dhabi Louvre. And Jean Nouvel, the architect of the original Louvre in France, has built it in the middle of the sea. So he decided to make this a dome, which is actually pretty natural to the Islamic architecture. First of all, to call the Louvre, so for the name, Abu Dhabi paid $500 million. That's all good and well, but you still got to fill the museum. Half of the contents is borrowed. They paid $700 million to borrow the artifact inside. The other half is bought. How much? We don't know. You can only guess. But it's the most amazing building. It's super peaceful. So we're just gonna walk around and check it all out.
Little Graham's finest fact, technically not mine, but Abu means father, Dhabi means gazelle, and basically it's the father of gazelles. So basically the tribes back in the day would follow the gazelles because the gazelles would always know where the water is. And back in the 1800s they would follow the gazelles to this point, which is just over the bridge. Don't know if you can see it because it's quite bright, and that is where the beginning of Abu Dhabi started, and that's where we're headed next, guys. So let's jump back in the Hummer and get to Abu Dhabi. Okay guys, we're just heading into Abu Dhabi and we've put the GoPro on the front of the car, you should be able to see it. And we're about to go to the Corniche Road, which in French means like promenade road. And apparently it's supposed to be Beautiful, right?
Beautiful. It's the most beautiful road in the city. It's very green. You would definitely not feel yourself in a desert country anymore.
And let's take a look. Hello, fancy seeing you here.
Got Roger out because this view calls for either a thumbnail or a picture at least. Have a look. Can I just remind you that this city that we're looking at right now is 30 years old. This was ultimately a tribe. They hit oil instantly overnight. They're super rich. He wanted to build a city. They traveled the world, all the sheikhs did, travel the world to decide what you want to build. Can you imagine the pressure? Hey, go ahead, no cost bed, go and build your dream city. He's done a pretty amazing job, I'm not gonna lie.
Kind of got like that American Miami kind of beachfront feel to it. It's got a totally different vibe to Dahab, hasn't it? To
Dubai
even. Sorry.
Yeah, completely. It's a really different place.
Yeah, it feels more family friendly. Almost.
Yeah, because I don't know if you can see from the clips, but there's like a sailing school behind. How amazing to be a child and to learn sailing here.
And there's a proper beach, and there's like you can walk along it and run along it, and there's actually more people out here. Maybe it's a degree cooler here, hence why there's more people.
Yeah, the people are exercising.
But this view alone is crazy. I don't know if you come to Dubai or Abu Dhabi, how are you going to get these places without like having someone who knows the stuff?
Yeah,
so it's really cool.
Overwhelming. I mean,
yeah, there's so much to see and do. And while Theodora is setting up Roger for a thumbnail, I have to say, doesn't Theodora just look smashing today?
Thanks, stop it.
Look at you.
Oh, thanks. Do you like my outfit?
I think you deserve an Instagram post here.
Thanks. That's gold. It's gold. They actually bought 8,000 kilos of gold to decorate the inside of this palace. This palace cost 3 billion to build. This was actually meant for just one meeting of all the sheikhs to come together. Just the one meeting. After that, we'll turn it into a hotel. Shabby place, but who cares? Obviously, we've got to be a bit sneaky with filming, so if the sound is not as good, it's because Graham took off the mic.
And the angles.
Oh yeah, and also the angles. Undercover operation for YouTube. If you love it so far, hit that thumbs up, guys. Make sure you subscribe, because this is for you. So I asked Fahad that I needed to go to the toilet earlier when we were in, like where we were watching the skyline. He said, "Do you mind if it's a Guinness Book of Record toilet?" And I was like, "No, I don't mind. I'm going to the world's most expensive toilet." Can't wait for this wee. Everything you see that looks like gold, it is gold.
Guys, this is all gold. It's all gold. Babe, have an amazing time on the toilet. I'm gonna go to you go to yours, I'll go to mine.
Follow me on Instagram if you want to see what my
toilet looks like.
Yeah.
I mean, guys, look at this door. This is all gold. It's mental. Okay, I've been told off a couple of times for filming, but I'm still filming. I'm not giving up for you guys. Okay guys, this is the Sheikh, the male toilets. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So all this is gold, right? This is gold. These bits are gold. Nice, 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 nice. This is twice in one day that I've been filming in the toilets, which is interesting, very interesting. Okay. I'm gonna go into the toilet. Gold plated, very nice. Anyway, We'll leave it at that, shall we? Okay, we've come outside to the front to see and how beautiful it is from the outside. Whoa, look at this skyline.
Oh my god. Can I say one thing?
That's
Those
insane.
buildings, is anyone recognising them? It's a very famous movie, especially you boys. You should know this.
This is beautiful. So now we're on the outside, guys, right at the bottom of the stairs of this palace. Obviously, you've seen the towers behind us. How cool. This is actually my favourite spot right now in Abu Dhabi and in Dubai.
So now we're filming the pièce de résistance of this video, and Fahad has organised the perfect attire for me for my hair. And check this out. I'm gonna get changed and I'll see you in there. We are in the most magical mosque. There's actually a lot of fun facts. Here we go. 900 million. Okay, we've been told off by filming, so we literally got the camera on the phone going right now. But I just want to share this magical place with you guys, just to let you know. Costed about 900 million to build this, and it was well worth it. It's amazing. In the interior, which we hopefully can shoot and show you, it holds a Guinness Book record for the heaviest chandelier with gold and Swarovski stones and the largest Persian carpet on earth. I'm looking all around me that we don't get caught. We want to show you, but it's a little bit dodgy right now.
Okay, we just got told off again. I think they're chasing us. But we want to show you guys so bad. I think we're just going to end this part of the vlog because it's just not worth it. We're going to enjoy it. It's definitely well worth coming. It's so cool. Okay, we almost got caught. It's so scary, guys. Next thing you know, we end up in prison.
To end this vlog off, if you're going to go to Dubai, please go to Abu Dhabi. It's so close, you can't miss out, don't you think, Ray?
Yeah, if you don't make the effort to come here, then
You should.
gotta do it, guys. Anyway, we are gonna end the vlog, right? Because it's a little bit crazy.
It's a little bit crazy. It's the end of the night. We had an amazing, amazing tour with Dubai Tours, Fahad.
And we'll see you in the next vlog.
Yeah, we're just being chased again, I feel like.
Bye.
Bye.